Hello. Today we are going to learn about paragraph tag. At the beginning I introduce p-tag and tell you how to use it practically. First of all I'll open my notepad file. Now I'm going to write HTML code. We should create a HTML document with head and body tag. I write the head tag within the HTML tag. I write the title tag within the head tag. We can write the title amidst the title tag. Next, I open the body tag. And p tag should write between body tag. A paragraph always starts on a new line, and is usually a block of text. Cannot write paragraph tag like this. The paragraph tag is able to write like this. The p tag defines a paragraph. When writing a paragraph body, should write it between the start p tag and the end p tag. Now I save the file and run it. You can see that paragraph has been displayed as a single paragraph. Again I will go to the notepad file. Let's do some changes and then see what will happen. I'll divide this complete paragraph into two small paragraphs, by pressing the Enter button. I will save again the notepad file and refresh the web browser. But the paragraph has not changed yet. I'll go to the notepad file. We can write multiple p tags within the body tag. Now I open two separate p tags, close to the previous p tag and below the previous p tag. Let's see what will happen. I save the file and refresh the browser. Now you can see that when creating separate two p tags, the second paragraph will show below the first paragraph. That means browsers automatically add a single blank line before and after each p tag. Now I open Notepad file. You may remember that I used a head tag in my previous tutorial. If you want, you can use paragraph tag amidst head tag like this. I save the file and refresh the browser. You can see that all the letters in paragraphs have become big letters. So you also can try to use all tags like this. then your knowledge will improve immediately. I think that now you can understand how to work paragraph tags. Thank you. Have a nice day.